And a happy Wednesday. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus on this Wednesday morning. I'm 9 News meteorologist, Weather Impact Team meteorologist Chris Bianchi with a look at that Colorado weather forecast for today. We're going to have the kind of warm before the big cool down. It's going to be a hot day. Temperatures upper 90s for us in Denver, and a few spots may touch 100 degrees on the eastern plains. Clouds filling on in, but nothing coming from those yet for us across the state. That will change later on today. Hot for one more day. Cold front, a sharp one for tonight, and a cool and soggy end to the week. Temperatures up in the 70s and 80s for us at this point, and today we top out at 97 for us here in Denver. That close to our daily record of 99 that was set in 1980. We do have some afternoon showers and storms around. I'll tell you about those coming up in just a second. 90s, 100s, eastern plains, 70s and 80s for the most part in the high country for those high temperatures. So far here in 2024, not including today, we are at 42 days at or above 90 degrees. That puts us on pace for about 60 to 70, so around 65 days at 90 plus. So we're way ahead of the usual standard. By the way, that 46 days average is for the full year, and that is on a 30-year basis. So 1980 to 20, I should say 1990 to 2010 average. So that's going back over the last 30 years or so. Ozone Action Day until 4 p.m. That is for ground ozone for the Denver Front Range Urban Corridor. Radar right now, mostly on the quiet side. It'll change later today as we do have some stronger storms possible north and east of Denver. Gusty winds and hail are main concerns later on this afternoon. Shower storms develop. They'll move in from the north and west, and we'll see those mainly between about 2 and 8 p.m. for us this afternoon. And the majority of those storms will be sub-severe, but one or two of those storms could turn severe this afternoon. So looking ahead here, next couple of hours, storms will develop as usual, first in the foothills and the mountains, then they'll roll the way down into Denver. As they do, we'll see that kind of storm threat mainly between about, I would say, roughly 4 and 7 p.m. looks to be the main time window. So kind of the same idea as what we looked at yesterday and back on your Monday as well. Then tonight, sharp cold front moves through. This is the one we've been kind of talking about for a little while now. This one will bring us much cloudier, much cooler conditions starting tonight, but really more for your day tomorrow. Tonight we drop back into low 60s for us. Isolated shower or storm, mostly cloudy skies tomorrow. Low 70s, shower storms around for us tomorrow as well. And it is way, way cooler with that high going from a high 97 for today to just 72 for tomorrow. Last 72 degree or lower high temperature was back on May the 26th. How about that? High today 97, record is 99. Highs the 60s, 70s for tomorrow, 70s and 80s. So how about that? In Denver, we could be actually cooler than Leadville, which is, of course, double the elevation for tomorrow. Totally different air mass in the high country versus what we're seeing here along the Front Range. 7-day forecast, big cool down. You can see it there. Then we start to get a bit more seasonal. Our average high temperature for this week is 89. We'll be around there for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday and Tuesday of next week. Mentioned that 42 degree number. The other kind of facet to this and reason why I want to show this to you again, today likely to be our 15th consecutive day at or above 90 degrees. And for a bit of context, that is going to be a top 10 longest 90 degree streak on record for Denver. So top line takeaways, big cool down tonight, hot today, and it does stay cool for both tomorrow and Friday with widespread showers. Storms could see some burn scar flooding as a result of that as well. So something to watch out for, especially around the usual trouble spots, the East Troublesome Fire burn scar, as well as the Cameron Peak burn scar over the next couple of days. Well, more for you coming up later on today. Once again, I'm 9 News meteorologist Chris Bianchi. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. Have a great rest of your day.